Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're going to start pairing now. First, make sure both devices are charged and unlocked. Open the companion app on your phone so the app can finish setup later. On the watch, enter its Bluetooth or pairing screen and enable pairing mode. Once the watch shows a pairing prompt or icon, switch to the phone, don't delay, because many watches time out and exit pairing if you wait too long. Keep both screens visible and stay on the phone's Bluetooth page. On the phone, use Bluetooth settings or the companion app to scan for nearby devices. You want to see the watch name appear. Tap that name to initiate pairing, then confirm the numeric code on both devices. This ensures you connect to the right hardware. Grant any requested permissions, such as location, contacts, and notifications, because the app needs them to sync data and deliver alerts. Once you accept, the phone will negotiate security keys and establish an encrypted link. This is why confirmation matters. Finish setup inside the companion app by signing in and allowing data sync, because that's where settings and watch faces arrive. Test notifications, make a quick call, and confirm health metrics sync so you know everything works. Adjust app permissions if something is missing. If you hit trouble, restart both devices, use the phone to forget the watch in Bluetooth settings, and try again. This clears stale keys and often fixes pairing conflicts. If problems persist, reset the watch's network or factory settings as a last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.